Hey guys, it is a Sunday fun day. We're going to celebrate my husband's father's birthday. I just want to show you guys my outfit. This is my blue gray t-shirt I got for Christmas. Sorry for the back. I only could do outfit of the day in the kids' room because Nevaeh's bed's in our room, so you guys can't. It's covering the mirror. But anyways, I'll show you guys blue gray too. My leggings. I'm gonna show you guys once I put my shoes, and then Nevaeh's outfit. Turn. Cute. Let me see the front. Cutie. Yeah, so here's the full outfit. My shoes. Show you guys Isaiah's outfit. Yeah. I gotta brush your hair. What you got your head in your mouth? Look at this. It's Simba outfit. Bless you. It comes with a matching hat that matches the pants. He has the socks. Let me go get the beanie. Matching beanie. Looks so cute. Nevaeh. You ready to go have fun? Yeah. Let's see your backpack. Turn. Cute. Isaiah, Abu. Isaiah, Abu. Yeah. Agu. Agu. What'd you say? Agu. Agu. Say it. Say it. What'd you say? Say it loud. Agu. Say it. Hey guys, so we just got home. I'm looking wretched. Got my little blanket on, but I want to do a quick haul. I didn't vlog at my in-laws because most of the time I was with Isaiah, and I just couldn't have my phone in my hand to vlog and him at the same time, so I didn't. Sorry guys, but I'm back home and I want to do a little haul because my sister-in-law gave us some more clothes for Isaiah. I don't know if there's anything for Nevaeh in here, but I think it's just Isaiah's clothes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little haul and show you guys what we were given. Okay guys, here's the bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff. Ooh, so cute. They say I am. Hold on. There's this one that says beware of the cuteness attack. Oh, this one's really cute. It's like a little jumper, 3 months. Oh, this is cute. This one's 0 to 3 months. This one, oh yeah, all this is like newborns and 0 to 3 months. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this one. 3 to 6 months. Super cute. Another little plaid shirt. What's this shirt? Or trick or treat. 6 to 9 months. No, he'll be a year next. Wait, almost a year next Halloween. Pants, matching pants. Some white, basic white onesie. Happy, little and loved. Another white onesie. Cute green onesie. Another plain white one. This is a plain gray one. A clouds onesie, cute. Black onesie, white onesie. Oh, this is super cute with the little whale, and it has a hood. Cute. Another blue onesie. Gray onesie. Striped one. Handsome little guy. That's cute. This one's a little monster. It looks like a romper. And then the shark one, and last but not least, another little gray one. So shout out to Mariah. Thank you for the clothes. All of this is super cute. Isaiah's gonna love them. And last but not least, these shoes from my brother-in-law to my husband. These are the, what shoes are these? I don't even freaking know. All I know is they're Nikes, and my babe likes Nike, so that's it for the haul. Look how I got ready for bed. And you guys, my babe chose this for Christmas. He picked it out himself. It says hello friends. She loves Peppa Pig, so he got a Peppa Pig shirt. Let me see the bottoms. And this says Peppa Pig right there, polka dot. And then she got all washed up and ready for bed, brushed teeth and everything. You look cute. Good night. Hey guys, so I got my package from Highoh today. I'm super excited. They just launched this new product on their website, and it is the breast lift tape with nipple covers, and it is in the color nude. And as you can see, it's brand new. They just launched it on their website, and you guys know that I'm postpartum. I just had a baby 5 weeks ago, and I definitely need anything that could lift the breast, so breast lift tape is a must. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it so you guys can see what comes in the package. So here it is right out of the box. You guys can see it has the little paperwork right here, and it says to watch the video before using the product. It has like a link right there so you guys can see how to use it. And also I have a 10% off code for anybody that's interested in purchasing this. Just use the code I love Highoh and you will get a discount. The link will be in the description box. But you guys can see this is the tape, the blue lift tape right here. And it also comes with the nipple covers that look just like this. So this is perfect for people who like are into pasties, or if you're like breastfeeding and you want to cover them if you're leaking or anything like that. That's perfect. And I also was told that this tape could be used for numerous stuff. I will not be showing how to use it obviously with their breast, but you can use it on the back of your foot for like shoes if you guys are prone to getting blisters and stuff like that. So I can show you guys how to use it that way. But it just has a arrow right here on how to take the covering off. So I just took the plastic off right here, and there's paper on the other side where you want to rip it. So I'm going to go ahead and rip it. So I went ahead and ripped some tape off, and I'm just continuing to rip the rest off. This is the side I want to use, and it is sticky as you guys can see. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So I went ahead and cut the tape apart from the little roll. As you guys can see, it's sticky, and I'm going to show you guys what else you guys can use it for. I'm going to be using it on the back of my heel. I know some people, when they wear tennis shoes and they don't wear socks, like it could rub up against the back of the shoe. And this would be perfect, so it could stop you from getting blisters and things like that. So here's my shoe. It's kind of like a kid's type of shoe. I have my heel out. I'm going to show you guys how I put this on. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this on the back of my heel right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put my shoe on, as you guys can see. So when I walk, and you can't even see the tape at all. So when I walk, it will not be rubbing up against the back of my heel, so that way I will not get a blister. So this is perfect use for that. So you guys, that's it for this review. If you have any questions, make sure to go ahead and comment in the comment box below. The link will be in the description for all of these products, the nipple covers and the tape, the breast lift tape. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.